Here we go. We have a question, meeting rooms. So you have given an array such that its zeroth value is the starting time of the ith meeting and 1th value is the ending time of the ith meeting. Your task is to check if it is possible for a person to attend all the meetings such that he can attend only one meeting at a particular time. So a person can attend a meeting if its starting time is greater than or equal to the previous meeting ending time. So suppose we have this. So first person will attend this meeting. Then after this, the person is free on 4, and then he can attend this meeting. Then person is free on 4, and now he can attend this meeting also. So the output is true. True. In this case, first he will attend this meeting. Now he is free on 4, then he will attend this meeting. He is 4 on 10, but he missed this meeting, so the output is false. So let's build the approach. I have this many meetings. So first meeting start at this time and ends on this time. So first of all, in this question, we don't know the sequence. So to find the sequence, first we have to sort the array based on 1th position, or you can sort it based on the 1th, based on either 0 or either 1th position. You can do the sorting. So let's sort the array first. So I have taken this. Next value is this, I think, 5 and 6. Next value is this. Next is this. Then is this. Next is this. So one thing is, in the constraint, the starting and ending time minimum value is 0. So for initialization, I will take a value as -1. So I have a value as previous. It represents the previous meeting ending time. So I have so person is not attended any meeting, so its value is -1. So can he attend this meeting? Is this value, 0th value, greater than previous ending meeting? Yes, he can attend this meeting, and this meeting will end on 2. So I will store 2 here. So now previous is 2. Next we have this. Is the 0th value greater than this? Can the person attend this meeting? Yes, he can attend, and the meeting will end on 6th. So can he attend this meeting? Actually, yes. So we want the starting time either greater or equal. So he can attend this meeting. So this meeting will end on 8. Then he can attend this meeting also, because 0th value is greater than or equal. So now person is free on 10. He can attend this meeting. So he will free on 12. He can attend this meeting. He will free on 18. Next, so let me add one more value, 15 till 16. So we have this meeting. Now the previous meeting will end on 18, but this meeting already started and ended. So the value is smaller, so we cannot attend. So we need to return false. So that's how this approach will work. Let's code this. So first we have to sort this using comparator. So we have comparator. We are sorting based on 0th value in ascending order. Next previous, and then we have this array. In this array, if the 0th value is greater or equal to previous, then we can attend this meeting, and the meeting will end on 1th value. Else we cannot attend this meeting because the value is smaller than previous ending meeting. So else just return true. So let's submit this. And let's talk about time and space complexity. In this question, the time complexity is n log n, and space complexity is constant. So let's wait for it to submit. The code is provided in the description box, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So let's change the values. What happen if we try to sort it based on 1th position? So now let's give it a try. So I was talking about, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and thank you all for watching.